honestly, honestly, I'm feeling myself with this, like, die. This is, I don't know, but looking at the camera, looking at myself, I'm just like, is this you? It's a baby girl for life, you know. Guys, so today, something just came to my mind and I just thought to share. I realized life is really too short and you just do your best while you can. Be you, just do you. Really, I've been doing a lot of thinking lately. I've experienced a lot of things last year, especially very soon I'm going to share my story. Very soon. And I know my story is going to inspire a lot of people. Trust me, like, it's going to inspire a lot of people. But all I just want to say is, whatsoever it is that you are going through, whatsoever you think that you feel God has probably forgotten you about, my darling, trust me, he hasn't. He's probably preparing you for something better. It's probably preparing you for the best. You know, we all go through a lot of things. Forget all these things that you see outside, though. Everybody has one or two things they are going through. Everybody has their battles. You know, some people are so good at hiding their battles. I'm just learning, literally. Before, I used to cry. I still do cry in my quiet time. Don't get me wrong. I used to call that, you know, talk to this person, thinking that when I talk to those people, you know, I had this peace of mind. Don't get me wrong. There are some people that there are some people that genuinely really cares. They genuinely want to hear you. They genuinely just love you and will never ever judge you. But some people will just want to hear your story, to laugh at you, to gossip about you, to just think of the worst. I mean, just think of the worst. Just think of the worst. So if you feel that you really want to talk to somebody, if you can't talk to God at that particular time, which I feel is the best anyways, just relax, you know. The only person I like to talk to is my mom, but my mom is very sensitive in most cases, so I just want to talk to somebody. But I have learned, I have not that I don't want to talk to somebody, not that I don't want to share my story with somebody, but trust me, I've seen a lot, I've heard a lot, and I just don't want to. I really just don't want to, and I think I'm just good. I'm good. I've 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 grown, I've matured, and now I really don't care. I not like I don't care, but I care less. But I care less now about what people say about me, about the decisions that I take, so long as it is me. At the end of the day, it has to do with me. It just has, everything just has to do with me. I used to be scared at the things that people would say. I used to be scared at the things that, you know, what the world in general. I'm a world person, as you're seeing me. Like, I keep friends. I don't know a lot of people but I keep a lot of friends, you know, and I didn't even used to have secrets. I still don't have secrets, but hey, I just realized it's just best to just be your own best friend, you know. It's just best to just be your own best friend. And the whole idea of my rant is, whatsoever you think God has forgotten you about, trust me, he has not. He has, read my lips, he has not forgotten you. Is the things that I want you to take out of this whole thing is, you are not alone. Everybody has their problems. God has not forgotten you. I mean, he created you, so he cannot forget you. It might be taking time, but he's preparing you for the best. So in the meantime, be yourself, love yourself, enjoy yourself, pray, read your Bible, if possible, fast. You know, just self-meditate and just leave the rest to God. Just remember that it is you. Be happy, stay blessed. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. The baby is feeling herself. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.